In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a case to Infinident. Now, what Infinident is, it's Sirona's central production facility. It's a service they provide to labs and those with in-house lab setups that allows you to go ahead and produce zirconia if you don't have a sintering oven. So for this quick example, what I'll show you is how to exactly do this. We're in the mill phase of just a simple abutment on tooth number 14. It's already been split, so you see the abutment here in the mill phase. Now the first step, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, just like the stack, and export the selection. Now we're not going to export it to a stack, we're going to export it to a file. And when I export it to the file restoration, I'm going to make sure on the bottom here that the save as file type is an Infinident file, an inLAB file. Now we'll go ahead and I'll just rename this as CEREC Doctors Test. And where I like to go ahead and do this is onto my desktop. And so we'll go ahead and save this file on the actual desktop. Okay, so now we're actually done with this part of the software, so we'll go ahead and just bring up our internet browser. So in the internet browser, you're going to type in www.infinident.com. That's INFINIDENT.com, and it'll bring you right to this screen. Now you need to register for Infinident, and once you've registered, just like CEREC Connect, it'll give you a password. So we'll go ahead and enter our username and password. And we'll hit log on. Okay, so here it's this is my Infinident file. So what we're going to do is, if we wanted to place an order with Infinident, we'll click order placement, and right here we have data set. So with our data set, what we're going to do is we're going to browse our computer and find that file that we exported from the mill phase of the CEREC 4.0 inLAB software. So we'll browse through this till we find our Infinident file, which is CEREC Doctors Test. We'll go ahead and double click on that, and it's here in the ordering details. The indication, we want an abutment. The material, you only have one option at this point, which is in Chorus Zirconia Mesio. The shade, you have two options, the 0.5, which is the lighter, and the 2, which is a little bit darker. The number of units, which is clearly just one here. Any remarks that you want to make, and then you go ahead and you just simply upload this. This is an example, I'm not going to upload it, but upload this, follow the prompts. It's going to ask you to enter your credit card information, if you want it shipped in the regular 2 days or if you want it rushed, and then they'll go ahead and ship it right to your office. So this is exactly how you use Infinident, and for those that have lab setups that would like to use this service.